Hi, I'm Jordan. I'm a wildlife photographer based out of Scotland. Today, I'm at one of my local lochs in my surrounding town, and if you can give me just a few minutes, I'd love to show you what a normal day shooting for me looks like. So if you want to stick around, we're going to walk around the bogs, then we'll take a walk over to the actual loch and see what we can find. Okay, that's us arrived at the main part of the loch. So what we'll do is we'll take a nice little walk around and see what we can find. There's plenty of swans and other waterfowl,